To understand how to reduce an expression like this, we need to think back to fractions. So when we think about this, there are multiple ways to reduce this fraction because 12 can be broken up a couple ways. But let's suppose I think of 12 as 4 times 3, and I can think of 8 as 4 times 2. Now I'm going to think about the reverse process of multiplication. I can rewrite this fraction as 4 over 4 times 3 over 2. Now, why is that possible? Well, think about multiplying fractions. If I was working on multiplying those fractions, I multiply straight across, and I would get 4 times 3, which is 12, over 4 times 2, which is 8. Now I can rewrite this as 4 over 4, which is 1, times 3 over 2, and 1 times anything would just be that number. The key here was finding this 4 over 4 to extract and turn into a 1. Now let's think about 7 to the 4th over 7 to the 10th. I can rewrite this as 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 over 7 to the 10th. Now we can notice that we can find some 1s. 7 over 7. Or actually, I could also say that I have that in 7 to the 4th over 7 to the 4th. I'll put a little 1 in here so that I keep track of things. Now I can rewrite this as 1 times the fraction 1 over 7 to the, and there would be 6 remaining, so 7 to the 6th. And this is just 1 over 7 to the 6th.